Let's see how you can easily collect your customer feedbacks through a simple SMS chatbot and also offer them a special discount for providing the feedback as well. So here I'm in a demo account and we have already connected the SMS phone number over here. So you will need a Twilio phone number for the SMS channels. So if you're wondering how, click on channels over here. In channels, scroll down to SMS, and here, since we have already connected the Twilio phone number, it says disconnect. But here, if you click on learn more, there is a guide on how to grab a phone number from Twilio and connect it on our platform as well. You will need your Twilio account SID and auth token. You need to enter those details on our platform and simply choose a phone number and connect it. So once you have connected a phone number, we can actually build any sort of SMS automations over there. So here I have already built a flow as well. So let me go to the flow section over here and show you. So here I'm in the flow section. So I have created this flow, SMS feedback collection. So let me open this particular flow. So here, this is how it looks like. Here, thanks for helping us out. There's a special limited time discount waiting for you. What is your full name, so we can make this feedback more personal? So here, the first step, we actually ask for their full name over there and save in the full name field as well. So once they provide the full name, we actually ask about the experience. How was your experience with us? So here we provide them 4 options: awesome, good, okay, not great. So they will actually simply reply with a number. So based on the number, so if they reply 1, then they have a great experience, and 2, good, something like that. So here, if they reply, it simply send them specific messages accordingly. So here, if you click on this particular block and see, we use a multiple choice option over there and providing these options for them: 1, 2, 3, 4. So based on the response, we send them a message right here. Suppose if they say 4, that means they don't have a good experience, and it says sorry, it wasn't perfect, but we still provide them the discount coupon as well. So for the people who provide 3 and 4 ratings, that means low ratings, we actually assign this conversation to a specific agent and also notify the agent as well, saying just left a negative feedback, call them simply. So here, if you want to add the phone number as well, you can do that as well. So let me say call them to understand the issue, and let me add the phone number as well. So here, since they're actually talking via the phone number, we can add the phone number for the agent's notification as well. So agent will see the customer's phone number in the notification itself as well, even though it's actually assigned to them right there as well. So I have added the phone number over there, and here, let's say they provide the name and stop right here. So here, if they stop right here, you can set the auto skip function as well, where it actually we set up for 23 hours. So it will wait for 23 hours. If they don't provide any response here, it will send them again a message saying, hey, full name, just checking in, we would love to quick feedback, reply 1 to 4. So here we again ask them for the feedback, and based on the response, we again send them these sort of messages. And here you can even include any links as well. So here we just included the website link over here. Otherwise, if you want to push people to a Google review page, you can do that right here as well after providing the discount coupon. And here we also send them a follow-up message in 12 hours as well, just checking if you used your 10% off code, it's only valid for 24 hours, and again send them the website address as well. So here, this very simple SMS feedback collection chatbot over here. So here we built in omnichannel. So that means this can simply work on other supported channels like Facebook, Instagram, web chat, other channels too. So you don't need to build separate chatbot flows for each channel. You can actually build for one channel and use it on multiple channels as well. So that's why we use the message type omnichannel over here. Let's see how to trigger this particular SMS chatbot flow right here. So let's set up a keyword over here. So for that, go to a hub over here, choose keywords over here. So let me set up a keyword. So let me click on add over here. We say hashtag feedback. When a user send a message with this exact word hashtag feedback, then we want to trigger the flow, which is called as SMS feedback collection. So here, choose the flow, which is SMS feedback collection. All right, save it. All right, it has been saved, so it's active as well. So now let's test how this actually works. So let me go to the unified inbox over here to show you the chats happening over there, and this is from the Instagram, but I'm going to send an SMS to the specific number we have connected. So let me send the exact keyword over there. All right, I send the SMS. So we should see we received the SMS over here, and here it says, hey there, thanks for helping us, what's your full name? So let me provide the full name as John Mark. All right, and it says, thanks John Mark, how was your experience? So it simply asked me to provide the experience. So in this case, let me choose not great experience. So let me send the number 4 and see how it actually assign the conversation to the agent as well. As currently no agents have been assigned to this specific conversation. So let me send it 4 and see what happens. So it is, sorry, it wasn't perfect. We appreciate your feedback. As a thank you, here is the 10% and this the website address. And as you can see here, this conversation is already assigned to one of the agents. They can simply reply from here, or they can actually call the specific customer as well and see why they have actually had a negative experience as well. And based on our setup, in 12 hours, the customer will receive another SMS about a follow-up whether they have actually used this specific coupon code as well. So that's how it works, and that's a quick video on how you can actually build a customer feedback collection SMS chatbot. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.